Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Band 7 to a Redmi phone. First, make sure your Huawei Band 7 has at least 20% battery life. Next, download the Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store onto your Redmi device. Once installed, open your Redmi phone settings and enable Bluetooth. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, ensuring your devices are ready to communicate effectively. Now that your devices are ready, open the Huawei Health app on your Redmi phone. From the main screen, tap on the Devices tab, then select Add Device. You'll then choose Smart Bands and locate Huawei Band 7 from the list. The app will guide you through the pairing process, which usually involves confirming a code on both your phone and the band. This step establishes the secure connection between your two devices. Once paired, the Huawei Health app will begin syncing data from your Band 7. This initial sync might take a minute or two, depending on the amount of data. After syncing, you can personalize your experience by choosing different watch faces, adjusting notification settings, and configuring health monitoring features like heart rate tracking. For continuous data updates and notifications, ensure the Huawei Health app remains active in the background on your Redmi phone. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Redmi phone and the Huawei Band 7 often resolves most problems. If connection issues persist, try clearing the cache of the Huawei Health app through your phone settings. Also, ensure that no other Bluetooth devices are actively trying to connect to your phone, as this can sometimes interfere with the pairing. These steps should help you get connected smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.